in this question, it says that P is inversely proportional to S squared. The graph shows the relationship between P and S for S being between 0 and 4.5. A. Find a formula P in terms of S. B. Find the value of S when P is equal to 2. Right, so we're given that P is inversely proportional, so P is proportional to 1 over S squared. And then that means that P is equal to K over S squared. Now we need a value of P that corresponds with the value of S in order to find the value of K. So the most obvious point here is to look at the graph and use this point here. And then at that point here, S is equal to 2. P is equal to 1. So substituting in, we're going to get, when S is 2, P is equal to 1, we're going to get 1 is equal to K over 2 squared. Remember, it's 2 squared because it's S squared. That means that K will be 1 times 2 squared. That's 1 times 4, so K is 4. So my formula, so going back and putting my value of K in, 4, is P is equal to 4 divided by S squared. Then we're asked to find the value of S when P is equal to 2. So when P is equal to 2, we're going to have that 2 is equal to 4 over S squared. So to rearrange that, we put S squared up here, put the 2 down here. So we're going to have S squared is 4 divided by 2. Pause the video if you're not sure on that bit. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So we've got S squared is equal to 2. Therefore, S will be equal to the opposite of squaring, which is the square root of 2. So S will be equal to 1.4123 significant figures. So this has been a video to show you how to use variation when you actually going to have to get the values from the graph. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.